Although there are many different types of pieces of bread, some of which have been used for hundreds of years and offer several health benefits, bread has developed a negative reputation among dieters and health enthusiasts. Even while certain varieties undoubtedly have disadvantages, the healthiest bread choices can be useful additions to a diet that is in balance. For ages, flour, water, and salt were the only three components needed to make bread. The majority of commercially produced loaves of bread available in supermarkets today have a dozen or more components, some of which are difficult to digest, in addition to being heavy in calories and lacking in nutrients. The good news is that the healthiest bread stays away from these pointless ingredients and adheres to the fundamentals. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing 5 healthiest types of bread to eat. Before we begin, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video to help get more views. 1. Whole grain bread. For weight loss, whole grain bread is the best option. You get nutrition from a variety of whole grains, including oats, barley, corn, and others. Whole grains include the entire kernel, including the bran, germ, and endosperm, making them extremely nutrient-dense. Whole grain bread can minimize cardiovascular disease risk and slow the development of blood vessels that feed tumors. These loaves of bread are higher in fiber and improve digestive health. 2. Oat bread. Oat is a very nutritious grain, and the beads created from it have the same nutritional content. The usual ingredients for this kind of bread are oats, whole wheat flour, yeast, water, and salt. Fiber, magnesium, vitamin B1, iron, and zinc are all abundant in them. Its fiber content can aid in controlling cholesterol levels, high blood pressure, and blood sugar levels. Search for bread with whole wheat flour and oats as the first 2 ingredients. 3. Whole wheat bread. White and whole wheat bread are the 2 varieties of bread that most consumers are likely to be familiar with. Whole wheat is significantly healthier than processed white bread of these 2 100% loaves of bread. Whole grain bread preserves the complete grain throughout production, leaving components like the germ, endosperm, and bran behind. Whole wheat bread has a significantly better nutritious value by remaining in certain areas of the train than if it were removed. The bran and germ of the grain are advantageous sources of other nutrients, including protein and fat, along with many other vitamins and minerals, in addition to having a greater concentration of fiber. 4. Sprouted whole grain. Grains that have been exposed to moisture and heat and sprouted are used to make sprout bread. According to studies, grains can become healthier by sprouting to boost their nutritious content. Naturally, consuming these grains increases your nutrient intake, which can aid in rapid weight loss and even lower your risk of acquiring chronic diseases. Your blood sugar level can be managed with its assistance. 5. Sourdough bread. A specific method is used to create sourdough bread, which rises because of the fermentation of yeast and bacteria that are present in nature. Another significant aspect of fermentation is that, in comparison to other forms of bread made using more traditional methods, it significantly reduces the phytate level of bread by as much as 50%. Due to its special method of preparation and increased concentration of prebiotics and probiotics that might help your body with digestion, sourdough bread may also be simpler to digest. That's it for today, folks. If we left out any other healthy types of bread to eat, kindly share them with us in the comments. Bye for now.